So my goal for the holiday is to make 18 pairs of earrings for 10 bucks. Please join me as I shop at Walmart. Oh good, I see you're joining me shopping. First thing we gotta do is buy some hoops. All right, we're over at Walmart. Now they have a 36 pack of earring hoops in gold, and these are great for Christmas, but the problem is, as you can tell, the gold's just not so gold, right? I mean, if I compare it to that gold, yeah, you see a big difference? So, silver, it doesn't matter. This is not. This is what I'm going to use, but it's over here. It says earring hoop silver, $2.98 for 36 pieces. I'm not sure if that's the right one, the right price. We'll see what it is, but you can't go wrong with silver. And what I like is they have a small hoop, a bigger hoop, and one of those hoops. And I'm going to need some beads. So I was thinking Christmas. I'm not really doing Christmas. This was really nice for Christmas, and all of those, oopsie, would fit. Ha ha ha. All those would be nice little Christmas. That would go great with the gold. But of course, what I love doing things for the beach, and I thought this was an excellent beach color. You have small, medium, and large, and it's $3.98. So that's the one I picked up. But they have a huge selection. I mean, that's a nice multicolor collection right there. This I like, but then I just didn't like some of the beads on it. But for $3.98, you can't be beat. That one had the small, medium, and large. Then this one down here has 4 different sizes for $3.98. But what is it? My goal, making 18 pairs of earrings for under 10 bucks. And as usual, I will see you down the road. Bye, everyone.